What's up, everyone? How are you? So, sorry I start every vlog, but we're at the shop. Yesterday was pretty cool. If you guys didn't watch this video, go watch it. We actually dynoed RJ's car with stock everything with the turbo kit. We made some pretty good power out of it. So the day was pretty successful. Now we're just waiting on RJ to get injectors and we'll make some more power. But for today, I don't know exactly what's happening today. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but I think Adam LZ is coming down today, which is pretty cool. I did want to show you guys is my buddy Steve actually was offering a set of seats that he had for his car, and he offered to give me them for a fire deal, and I couldn't say no, so I got seats for the FD. So they're basically the exact same seat as the ones in the S13 right now. They're a little bit older, but they're still in great shape. Only difference is these are black with a silver backing, and it doesn't have the bride down the middle of it. So you actually dropped them off this morning, and this was a huge come up, so I'm excited. So we're gonna have some freshy brides in the FD, and I kind of want to take out the driver's seat and just see, like, let's just see how they look in there. Let's do it. It seemed like we lucked out pretty damn good because it seems like this is the perfect seat for the car. I love it because it is a nice bride bucket seat, but it's super low key. It's nice and clean. The black cloth matches so nicely. I think it's the perfect seat. Once we get the black carpet in, it's gonna be beautiful. So we got a part for the FD today that I didn't need yet, but a few parts that I did order that we do need just came in the mail, which is sick. So we're gonna go pick them up and check them out. Yes. Such a beautiful sight. A crisp, unopened box of new car parts. Best thing ever. All right, let's see what they are. So this is the first batch of parts that actually show up for the JZ, which is awesome. So as you can tell, we have pulleys. So this is like a dress up pulley kit. Water pump, power steering, and alternator. These two are kind of important. So this piece is pretty cool. So you guys are probably curious at what the hell this random like AN to threaded fitting does. So if you look at the engine, we have this whole mess right here. And as you can see, these are actually coolant lines that run through the oil filter housing. And essentially what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to help keep the oil temps down. There's a lot of discussion on this piece, and I've been told that it ends up doing more bad than good. So I've been told to delete it by a few of my friends. And now what this is gonna do is this is actually gonna allow us to delete the whole thing. Once we take this off, this piece on the block right here becomes our new oil filter housing, which is pretty cool that it's the right size. And from there, since this is like pretty long, we're actually able to add a sandwich plate for aftermarket oil cooler, which I'm going to be running because the FD comes with a really good location for it. And that's it. Super easy. That's all this takes. It's like 20 bucks, and we can kind of take all this crap off. Nice. There it is. That's it. So this is made by Suspicious Garage, and I guess you just thread it in. You don't need any sealant or anything. I'd like to put a crush washer on there. I feel like it needs it, but I was told you don't. And then after you clean up your surface, you get your filter. And that's it. That's all it takes. It's pretty cool how the block becomes a new seal for the oil filter. And then for the coolant lines, you just kind of loop it. I took my old line and cut it, and you just run here to the block and you're all set. We got a special guest here today. I'm pretty excited. I love this car so much. Look who decided to show up, huh, RJ?
It's Florida Man. Oh wait, hey, it's TJ Hunt.
Hey.
You're not wide body.
Dude, I dabbed so hard it hurt my arm. What's up, dog?
You just shouldn't dab ever again.
I know. Oh, it's a TJ thing.
Let it die.
I'm just rocking TJ.
What do you think, Bray?
It's cool. It's cool, but it's a really cool car, man.
I think
it's sweet, for sure. I like it.
All right, guys. So if you guys remember, I destroyed my rear bumper on my S13, and it's really upsetting. I hate having no rear bumper. It looks like Duke. So I think there might be one hidden somewhere, a barn find rear bumper, right?
So instead of getting a lift, Jimmy's getting a bumper.
Oh, stop this. It's on its way. I swear.
We're not putting the motor in the Miata without a lift.
All right, fine. E26 back seats.
Listen, that seat's not even installed. I knew I should have drove the Infiniti today.
Look at this, dude. I'm trying. I don't remember him being this small, Adam.
You're the size of a tree.
Hey,
this is the mechanics when they own tan interior.
That's not a shadow, that's grease.
Did you see his bed sheets?
No, my pillowcase.
Your pillowcase, is that what it is?
Socks.
Socks.
What's up, dude?
casual time lapse. We found a rear bumper. Yes. Nice. Fuck.
Gonna do a burnout?
All right, close it.
Oh, no!
Slowly. Oh, rotate it. There we go. There we go. Hey, we in there. This is so safe.
Hey, look at this. It's a neck holder.
What happened? This is a pretty successful trip.
I was like, wow, this car always does.
This is a pretty ridiculous trip.
Like, how did it do that?
I am so happy. I was so upset to have a rear bumper.
What?
Pull it out.
What do you want me to do?
Pull the bumper out. Oh, perfect. Great. I'm so excited.
Awesome.
This one's a little more aggressive.
Is it?
Yeah.
The fifth to chips. Is it bad?
You just got a hook in front.
No, it's not. You could definitely see a difference in quality.
All right, it doesn't. It's no bueno up here.
Dude, is that even the same?
It's already making the sounds.
Yeah, it's definitely bigger than my old bumper. The difference in D-Max versus Duraflex is a little bit different.
Yeah, I would
But
say so.
It's
The sounds are different too.
It definitely is more aggressive than my other bumper, but it's better than no bumper. Perfect. So I'm driving the 32. I'm excited. Kind of nervous. It's gonna be fun. Sound good?
All right, cool. I'm going on vacation. See you.
All right, later.
Hey, you want us to do
So cool.
It's ready for you, Jimmy.
It's so ready.
It's gonna be second and third's weird shift, so.
Okay.
Just be ready for it.
Oh, I'm ready. Woo! Oh, third. Oh my God, dude. This thing takes off, and it's like, you feel so in control. Like it doesn't get sketchy. Dude, it's so planted. This car feels like a 2017.
Doesn't it feel nice?
I love it. Brakes get a little hot.
Yeah, they're race pads.
I want to drive this on the track so bad.
Oh, I should have you drive your first super gripped up car.
I know.
Oh my God, it's
really
crazy. It feels like you're driving, but you're drifting.
Third is hard.
Yeah. Going to visit your friend?
Yeah, we're gonna go visit some friends. So we kind of did a spontaneous dyno session, which is pretty sick. So seeing this thing pull on a dyno is terrifying. It made 10 more horsepower being in the colder weather, which is pretty cool. And we have Jamie Marsh out here actually going through, which is even cooler. So Kenny, what do you think of this rice box? You like it?
It needs underglow, but other than that, it is pretty much the perfect car.
I'm glad you
Like
think so.
best car on the planet.
That is crazy. I'm out of here. It is terrifying. I know you guys probably see some, like, you've been seeing a lot of dyno stuff on the videos, but in person, it is just insane. They made 590.
With 1 degree of time.
He added a degree of time.
From 6,500 on.
Those types of games on 1 degree, it just means that you're that.
It's crazy. He actually smoothed out the VE table, which is essentially like the field table, and he also pulled some timing in the mid-range and added some on the top range, so we'll see how it behaves. Hopefully we're seeing an overall increase from like 4,500 RPMs, but we'll see how it behaves. It's kind of in the test range right now to see how the RB actually behaves with timing, so it's pretty cool. It's really cool. I know you guys have been seeing me doing a lot of dyno stuff lately, but I've been learning so much, and it's amazing, especially to be around a tuner like Jamie Marsh. It's just unreal. This is really cool. Showed up. This is Steffi's first time being at a dyno, let alone
And it's Adams.
yeah, Adam's making 600 horsepower. Excited to see your face.
I'm gonna jump. I feel my body moving. Crazy.
Right?
My whole body feels it.
It's crazy.
Do you see his red freaking windows?
Isn't it great?
How does that happen?
Guys, so with that last pull, Jimmy messed with the timing just a little bit to clean it up, and so he did lose a little bit of horsepower, most likely because the car actually was more hot at that point. It lost like 3 horsepower, but the torque increased by a few, I think like 4, which is pretty good, but you could see it holding higher in the mid to high end. So overall, Jimmy got another 20 horsepower out of it by just cleaning up a little bit, adding a little timing. Nothing wrong with the old tuner. I think the old tuner was actually trying to play it more in the safe time. Not bad. Really, really cool experience. Always a cool experience. I'm pretty stoked.
What'd you think?
Jimmy's rad.
Isn't he crazy?
He's a good dude.
Yeah, that was cool. That was a cool. I think we both learned a lot for that one.
For sure.
Got a couple more horses out of it. Cleaned it up a little bit.
Got some bugs to work out.
Got some bugs to work out.
As always.
You know what? This car's been together for how long?
About a month. Not even. No, a couple days. Couple weeks.
And
couple
it's
days.
a fully
a week.
built chassis.
Fully built chassis.
So, yeah, there's a long shakedown.
Needs a cage.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, cool. So,
I think that's about it, guys. So we're gonna head back to the shop and see what's up.
well, it looks like I'm stuck driving the Miata back.
Recap it today. What did we do? I got the parts for the JZ, installed them, got new bucket seats. That was sick. Adam showed up. He made me drive the Skyline, which was terrifying. It's the fastest car I've ever been in, which I don't know if that's cool or sad, but it was fast. It was a fast car. But that's it. I'm excited Adam's here for the week. I'm super stoked. We're going to drift together on Saturday. That's going to be a big moment for me. I'm super excited.
I'm gonna put it in Jimmy. Jimmy said Brian will make him a new door if we need to.
Yeah, it's okay.
He'll make him a new door.
We'll have fun. I'm more worried about your car.
Yeah, dude, I'm so like the lift is getting delivered tomorrow, and I'm gonna help Jimmy install it.
Oh, don't even start this.
Okay, that's where we're going to end it here. So I hope you guys liked today's video. So you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content.
Adam?